Arunachal CM Pema Khandu is second billionaire CM of India. Congratulations, sir, for corrupt public money. What are his businesses? Let's search what are the businesses of Arunachal's PM. So he is the Honorable CM of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Khandu. If I am pronouncing the name right, apologies. But that is how we know it. And then he is the eldest son of the former Chief Minister, Dorji Khandu. They are from Tawang, very beautiful place. I have visited on bike and it is beautiful. It says nothing about their business. But then let's go to My Neta website, which tells a lot of things about businesses of politicians. So 6 years ago, he declared assets of 163 crores. No criminal case. Current movable asset is 25 lakhs in his hand, 32 lakhs, 50,000 in wife's hand, total 57 lakhs. And then there are FD in Bank of Tawang, which is of 104 crores. One FD of 104 crores for the CM. Then 4 crore FD. Then in the Itanagar, they have 1 crore FD. Same way for spouse, 12 crore FD. And then more FDs on dependents, maybe their children or father or something like that. Then they are heavily invested into stock market, which says that they have invested in Frontier Distillery Private Limited. Let's see which company is this. So this is a company listed in Shillong ROC. Address is Arunachal Pradesh only. Let's search it on Google Maps. Very interesting registered office. Seems not very CM like. So a registered office of a company in which CM has 50,000 shares, which is a private limited company, is this. And then her wife is also partner in Ether Breweries LLP Namsai. Let's search. By the way, what is this company in? This company is in so Arunachal Pradesh CM. Pema Khandu has invested is a company which manufactures wines. And 100% this company, Aether Breweries LLP, is a company that is also manufacturing or something in distillery or wines. Let's exactly check it. How do I visible for this site? The exact address we could not find, so it says the address is here in Arunachal Pradesh only. Seems like a very poshy area with good hotels and good sceneries. Yeah. So we need to see what is Aether Breweries doing. This is the same company that we were talking about. Aether Breweries. It's like liquid gold, a must try for any beer lover. Nice place, clean and safe. Beer factory tied up with United Breweries with Vijay Malia. Interesting. So, do Assam CM really have links with Vijay Malia? That's what the comment says. The review of Yogesh Kardekar. who actually is a traveler. Interesting. Doesn't lives in India. Cool. Anyways, so this is clear from this that this family is 100% involved in winemaking or in beer making. And as per reports on the Google reviews, people even say that they are linked with United Breweries of Vijay Mallya, which was last year maybe acquired, which was acquired by someone different. And then this is the exact bottle that they sell. Gold Flow Premium Strong Beer. Cool. So the CM of the state only runs and sells beer to the people of the state. And then they have invested in mutual funds. They have invested in more companies, which is Ether Alloys LLP. Let's search for this company. That is into metallurgy. And it is also a huge company in Naharlagun, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. So CM's wife is an investor, a shareholder in this alloys company as well. And then IGC Niglok East, Siang District, AP. Okay, maybe the address. And then the value of this is 14 crores in Aether Breweries and 12 crores here. So interesting. Fine. What's interesting is if we go to find out who are other people in these companies, 100% they would be somehow related to the main family. And then there are other companies which are not in the CM's name but shares the same directorship. The people here shares the same directorship or the companies with similar addresses. Gold Flow, Cements, Builders, I don't know, the Ferro Alloys, Ether Alloys. Interesting. Same way for Frontier. Sanjay Diwan, Sham Sundar Ji Lahoti, Vijay Agarwal, Ritu Government. So he found Banyas and then they invested. There are other breweries that these people are have invested. The directors of these companies are directors in other companies as well, which is breweries, Kaziranga Biofuels, breweries, construction, warehousing, plaza, everywhere. You know, the boring businesses where actually the money is. This is what it is. Construction, media, whatnot. Cool. Basant C. Fine. Let's see other assets on the website MyNeta. Has a Ford Endeavor, Maruti Suzuki, Endeavor, Fortuner, a very politician car, has gold worth more than 1 crore. But then he himself has invested into an alloy company. So, and then the border of Myanmar is the main border where the gold is actually imported from unofficially. So this gold reserve is like very relevant to him. Then he has agricultural lands of 4 crores, non-agricultural land of 19 crores, all in Arunachal Pradesh. And then he has commercial buildings of 143 crores. He even has commercial buildings in Karol Bagh. Can you think of? He has hotels, Hotel Vivanta Tawang, Hotel Rixel Derang. Prima facie, Mr. Pema Khandu, the Honorable CM of Arunachal Pradesh, and he became CM after his father, and he became CM. He's a second generation CM, as his father was also a CM. So he's a second generation politician, and his profession is only politician and social activist. Uh, these are the two places where people earn the most, and then the third one is religion, of course. So he owns shares in wine company. He owns shares in beer company and then sells beers and wines to the people of Arunachal Pradesh. And then As per the reviews given by people on Google, he has links with United Breweries. He has agricultural land. He has commercial buildings. He has hotels. He has plots in Karol Bagh, Delhi, where it is Karol Bagh is uh, highly congested area. He has invested in mutual funds. He has non-agricultural lands. He has FDs. One FD, single FD in SBI Tawang branch is of 104 crore rupees. And he has invested in multiple companies. That is why, as of today, he is the second billionaire CM of India. Currently is a better businessman than any other businessman, and is currently a better businessman than most of the businessmen in India. Can you tell me from which party he is? Also, do like, subscribe, share. Bye bye, and let us know your opinion. So when someone asked me when someone told in the comment section what is their businesses, this is the answer that these are their